Oh shit. Say so again. Legacy SMC is a fucking ruin. They got one motherfucker. Chef on the stage. They got Ben Mangan. The stage was somewhere here, the truck, and then Genge if you in that shit here. In less than 30 minutes. Money laundering. One nigga. Legacy project, yeah. Another man. He couldn't control his crowd. Me putting your hands up.
You know what, guys? This is one of those things that we're like, we can never get all of it. Like, it's out of control.
struggle credentials. What coming wrong?
Yeah, Dr. Bunches in one about. And then you jump on himself. Ramaphosa on and it is not over. I don't know to win, and